you need to track different time zones for work, family, conferences, or travel? In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple clocks in Windows 11 so you can see them instantly. Now hover your mouse and go to the Start button, right-click on it, go to Settings, click on the Settings. Now go to that point where you see Time and Language, click on it. Click on Date and Time. Scroll down to where you see Related Links. Click on Additional Clocks. Now you would see here Date and Time dialog box comes out. Go to this point where you see Show Clock 1, put a tick in that box. Now choose your time zone for clock 1. So I'll click the more arrow. I'm going to choose Pacific Time, US and Canada. Enter the name for clock 1. I'm going to type in the US. Now if you want a second clock to show, put a tick here. Now click to choose your time zone. So I'm going to select Dublin and London. Now over here, I'm going to enter the display name that I want, which would be London. Now when you're done, you click Apply. So I'm going to click Apply and then click OK. Then I'll go over there and close that. Now come down here where you see time and date. You would see here the display. You will see the local time, you will see the US time, and you would see the London time. And that's it. Multiple clocks in Windows 11 in just few minutes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips. I'll see you in my next video.